retired Judge Bonda and the owner of Bonda's Law.
And I am attorney Carla Marable, a practicing criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan.
And together, we are the Legal Divas of Michigan.
With that person.
Got a quick question. Why do people use social media to communicate with others if it's so damaging?
I don't know. I just think it's the times that we live in. People, is a way of communicating with each other. It's a way of keeping up on what's going on. And it's just what these young people do.
Wow. So the fact that I use a fake name, say for instance, to open up my account, I say my name is, Cardi B, okay? And I use a fake email, etc., okay? Can law enforcement still try to use that against me even though my name that I gave was disingenuous, it was fake?
It's going to be traced back to you.
How?
Because every phone, every computer has a unique IP address. And
wow.
And it's going to be traced back to that address. So even if you use a fake name, a fake email, it's going to be traced back to you.
Wow. And you indicated that even if you delete a direct message, then the police still can recover it.
They can recover it.
What about if I'm talking in code? Yeah, I need some of them cakes. I need this. I need some of them pies. I need some of this. I need this. And then my defense is, listen, I was just hungry that night. How does the government try to use slang words in order to capture somebody or to inculpate them?
Well, the government will say that what they think it is. A good attorney was going to object to speculation. It would be up to the judge if it comes in. But normally the prosecution would put meanings to different words. Cake mean heroin. Pie mean cocaine. That's what they were talking about.
We saw the trial in Atlanta with the rap lyrics.
Correct.
They were able to use the rap lyrics, some successfully and some not successfully, in the case in chief. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And so the prosecution would repeat something in the lyrics, and it would say that this meant something else opposed to, and they would link it to something else. Is that correct?
That is correct. That's how they did it.
Okay. And I think that sometimes they talk about the bodies and this and that. So many times you find people who love to rap, but they're rapping out something that's real life. They may not use the name, but they use something to make you know that that person is familiar with that. Is that correct?
That is correct. And the problem about that is that how do you clear it up as an attorney? You have to put your client on the stand to clear it up. And most of the time, you don't want to put your client on the stand.
Let me ask this question. Do you have people who are cooperating witnesses that tell the prosecution, look, this what this mean, this what this mean, this what this mean, and they may not put that person on the stand, but what it is, they're familiar, maybe they're in a gang, maybe they got a case, and maybe the prosecutor say, look, you looking at what they're doing here, you got to decipher all the words. Does that really happen?
That happens all the time.
And that witness doesn't even come to court?
Doesn't even have to come to court. He just has to give the prosecution the information that they need and decipher.
Many years ago, you didn't see people who would be cooperating with people. They would say snitches end up in ditches. Do you think that that's really kind of the rule now?
No, definitely not.
That's the exception.
That's the exception to the rule.
As my late husband used to say, Marlon Blake Evans and Associates, is those in the federal penitentiary, is those that snitch and those that wish they had. Okay? That's just the rule, all right?